What we're working on today is a 2013 DRZ 400. We're installing the Rekluse 3.0 EXP clutch. That's it right there. We've opted the stock setting on the springs in the centrifugal part of the clutch was 3 red, 3 silver springs. We opted to go with all silver springs, which gives it a lower RPM engagement point. Here's what comes in the kit besides the clutch. You get the clutch soaking in oil. You got some extra retainers. There's 6 red springs.
And the only issue you have taken off the cover is this front screw right here has a rubberized washer. It's a sealing washer. Make sure you don't lose that little washer.
Now with this particular kit, you use your stock clutch plate bolts, and they give you some new Rekluse springs. Those go in there. They also a rubber band to do your clutch adjustment and stuff with.
You have to pop that loose gently. And everything looks good there.
You got 6 Allen head bolts right there. Those got to be removed before you can get the clutch plate off.
I'm going to pull the clutch pack apart. We're using a 5mm Harbor Freight special wrench. These are not real tight. Okay, everything's loose. There's a stock spring. Compare that against that other one. You see how the interesting thing is this one. See this last disc?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, there's our plate. Nothing to fall off. Everything stays in there.
Well, they should be. I just stuck mine down in there.
Here, I'll fix it.
Here's the difference between the Rekluse and the stock spring. The stock spring's this longer one, a little bit less diameter. The Rekluse springs are these gold springs here.
Alright, to get the clutches out,
That's the last clutch plate.
if you've got they call it a spring something or other,
Mm-hmm.
you leave that in. So that's a different, well, you know, I might have that, because this has got bigger things than that. Okay, it goes in no, it goes in the big one, right there, okay. Then you start loading.
One clutch disc first. Then you go back with one friction plate. That can happen.
Okay, then we put we go in with a
here's the Rekluse clutch unit here.
doesn't matter which way it goes in. It drops in. Follow it up with another disc. You'll end up with 5 metal and 5 fiber. That's 2 and 2. It's 3 and 3, I think, isn't it? Isn't that 3 and 3? That's 4. Make sure you get the clutch in the long part, the long slots, not the narrow one like I just put that one in, or the clutch wouldn't work. So that goes in there. Another another metal disc, and the final. Okay, we reinstall this.
Pop in the Rekluse springs.
I want to clean this edge. Make sure the sealing surface is clean. Come on. Go upstairs. Three clutches and 2 friction. 2 metal. But anyway, when I almost think I got a different clutch than you got.
It's the same one.
Is it?
RMS 6060. It's the part number.
I mean this plate. I want to think mine went over the top or something.
Now they're ready to be torqued.
Alright, now they basically say that these don't have to be. You just kind of snug them up. What I do is I take the wrench at this distance, and you can't put too much torque on it that way. Okay, we're going to go back. Is that opposite of the way we went? Let's see, this is the long one, I think.
Oh, the washer right here.
Yep. There's 2 long ones down here, 1 long one up there. The other 3 are short. Snug these down. Don't snug them, just get them close. Okay, make sure everything's snug. basically that's it for the bottom.